My name's Jonathan with Academy of Mind, and in this video, we're going to talk about SCORM courses and why they're so important to use with learning management systems. So what is SCORM? SCORM is a universal e-learning format that helps your e-learning content work together correctly with your LMS. When e-learning materials are put into SCORM packages, then your courses become portable from one LMS to another. And this is important because you don't want to be stuck with your courses only working on one platform. For example, if you create a SCORM course using Articulate Storyline or another external authoring tool, then you can easily import those courses into the Academy of Mind LMS since our platform is SCORM compatible. Another thing worth mentioning is that even though most LMSs say they're SCORM compatible, not all of them support SCORM reporting. So if you wanted to track a learner's progress, like see if they've completed an activity or passed a quiz, you would be able to do that with Academy of Mind, but you wouldn't be able to do that with all other LMSs. In addition to portability, SCORM is also great for converting traditional content like PowerPoints into interactive on-demand courses. Much of the e-learning materials you can create using external authoring tools like Articulate Storyline and iSpring are possible using your LMS's built-in authoring tool. However, if you want to create e-learning courses that can be imported into other platforms and are interactive with smooth transitions, SCORM is what you need. Now, keep in mind that many of our customers build engaging and effective courses all within the Academy of Mind LMS. And using our LMS, you can pair SCORM content with natively built content to provide excellent learning experiences to your customers, partners, and students enrolled in courses. So if you have a SCORM course and are looking to upgrade the way your company manages training online, check us out at academyofmind.com for an LMS that's both SCORM compatible and supports SCORM reporting.